Let's say you ate and you had people over and you made broiled lobster. Or you purchased steamed lobsters at a restaurant, or like Jordan's Lobster Farm in Island Park, New York. That's all they do is sell lobsters, steamed lobsters, pick them up, the price is great. And maybe you cooked your own lobster, however you cooked it. And then you discard the shells. The same thing with shrimps. You have the shrimp shells, and then you discard them. Wrong. This has been boiling for about a half hour, and my entire house smells like lobster bisque. So there's the proof right there. So what do you do with all of this? This is what you do. You boil this up for about an hour or so. You taste it. You reduce it down after you take all of the shells out. And as you see, there's shrimp shells there too. When I peel shrimps and I'm not making a sauce, I save the shells for just this purpose. And the easiest thing to do with this is making a cream of seafood or lobster soup. I'm not showing you anything else. This is just an idea of what to do so you don't waste, just like bones of animals. Boil them up overnight and you have a nice stock. Same thing with seafood and fish. I hope this idea helps you.